Hey there, skincare enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're diving into a topic that might just change the way you approach your skincare routine. Are you ready to uncover some surprising insights and learn why your current approach might not be as beneficial as you think? Let's get started. Hook, the skincare paradox. Imagine this. You're on a mission to achieve flawless skin, but your well-intentioned efforts might actually be doing more harm than good. It's a skincare paradox, and it's time to unravel the truth behind it. Context: the online skincare revolution. The skincare industry has undergone a massive transformation thanks to the digital age. With influencers and online content creators leading the charge, we've witnessed a boom in skincare awareness and accessibility. But as it turns out, this revolution has a dark side. Main breakdown: the dangers of DIY dermatology, information overload, health risks. In my opinion, the abundance of skincare information online is a double-edged sword. While it empowers us with knowledge, it also opens the door to misinformation and confusion. Dr. Khadija Nasika, a dermatologist, highlights how patients often end up using too many active ingredients, layering products incorrectly, and self-treating without proper diagnosis. This DIY approach can lead to aggravated conditions and skin damage, misdiagnosis, and misinformation. One of the most concerning aspects is the prevalence of misdiagnosis.